Right into this world, all alone.
Shit! Oh, I'm too old for a little essay.
Why are you fully clothed when you're lying in bed?
Well, it's not my gardener. Must be for you.
So it's not Jesus, huh?
Hey, Gemma.
What are you doing, man?
I'm Simon, but we gotta talk.
Does nobody have a phone in this city? Everyone's just showing up in person.
The shit at the school yesterday, that was Matthew. He was the one who shot everybody up.
The Havanese boy?
It was my KG-9, mano.
Well, that's your problem.
¿Cómo puedes dejar la cohete ahí nomás? Esa ruca apenas no puede...
Well, it's none of your business, actually, so... Shut your mouth?
I'm sorry, mano. I'm sorry.
Tell that to the victims. Sure, they'd love to hear that.
You know why I was such a good lawman? I never gave a shit about justice. It was always about retribution for me.
Sounds about right. Makes you more of a vigilante, actually.
I want to see my wife. And I want to see my son.
Why?
Because I want to hurt people too.
He wants to pull an auto and tell them in person that he's going to betray them? Or maybe he wants to warn them. Won't that be a twist?
You gotta get his old lady out of there. Once the shock wears off, she's gonna want someone to pay.
Yes, she will.
Club can help.
The club should stay away from this as far as possible.
Should I ask about the hand?
And it's once again the broken one. Or the former broken one. What a warm welcome.
What happened?
It's about that school shooting yesterday.
That's right. He's going to be the next shooter.
Rico's dead. Clay's gone. I'm gonna start moving the club in the right direction.
You promised her once, I don't know in which season, that you would leave all this. Dude.
After O, I just feel like if I step away now, none of that makes sense. Like what he did was for nothing.
He saved your ass, so you could move with your family. Instead you're staying in the same shit you were in before he was killed. So how does that make sense?
That boy that killed those kids in the school yesterday, he belonged to my cousin's old lady. He used the KG-9.
Ours.
Yeah.
You're fucked.
She ain't all that to begin with, man. We gotta get her lost.
Jimmy said you might be able to help with that. Maybe you can get her to one of your other charters.
Or we could kill her.
Thanks for meeting, Hop.
Yeah, of course. I gotta say, I was intrigued.
Let's talk.
Where's this story heading? Could this actually lead to any trouble? Would anyone care if they do their own nomad charter? Shouldn't be a problem, right?
Like the hair. Thanks.
I'm glad someone addresses that.
But what'd you expect? Wendy as guardian? You talking about taking his boys to Oregon?
Well, there was a time when he was okay with that. That she would leave with the boys. And he would follow when everything is settled. But things changed, apparently.
Don't just close the book on your murder. Stop hundreds more from happening, and I can help you do that. This is my cell. I'm staying at the Persig Motel in Alpine. I look forward to hearing from you.
Ah, he's so eager to do the right thing. No personal feelings whatsoever.
You gotta go. Come on.
She ain't a problem, man. It's okay.
Of course she is. She just proved that by freaking out.
That's a problem.
Yeah, there's another proof.
You know, when it was all going down, you, Juice, the gun, I saw it. I got it.
No hard feelings?
I just wanted you to know you did the right thing.
Well, thank you. I'll go home and untie the noose. Get me out of here.
I love you, Jeff.
What the fuck was that all about? Is he not taking the deal? Or was that an apology for taking the deal?
I've known Clay a very long time. He's a lot of things. Sloppy isn't one of them. We've a surplus of KG-9s. I'm gonna ship them all out to you. Fear stokes the imagination. Everyone wants the deadliest gun. Double the price, KG-9s will sell themselves. Looks like we all have something to gain from this tragedy.
That smile. He's enjoying this. To fuck over Jax.
Hey. Hey. Thanks for coming by.
Of course. Saw the boys downstairs. They look happy.
Yeah, they're good.
Margaret, do you actually do any work? I never see you do anything. You always just show up.
I need some blood work done confidentially.
Are you okay?
I need a pregnancy test.
Are you certain about Wendy?
No. But I am certain about the alternative.
Okay. I will wait until right before your trial to file for the divorce, but as far as the motion...
Wait, what? Divorce? That's moving too fast for me here.
I don't want to go up north. That's bullshit. I gotta bury my baby.
Look, Davini. Look, I know how hard this must be for you, but we're doing this for your own good, eh? We're doing this to protect you.
She will be killed anyway. I'm pretty sure.
I'm so sorry.
What you doing?
Either she's about to kill herself or about to break out.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey!
Darby, put the gun down. Please, baby.
She's dead, dude.
Drop it, Jax.
Drop it!
Gemma's not playing ball.
Drop it!
Gemma!
Drop it now!
You just shoot at Gemma.
Luke, kiss!
Now both of you are dead.
Don't do this!
They're gonna kill us, please!
Now they are going to kill you, stupid bitch.
Shit, slide over.
Who was that? Oh, Nero. Wasn't that his cousin or something?
Jax! No, mano! No! You can't do that.
Why? You shot the guy, but she gets to live? What? Just take off your clothes already and do your little naked dance. Whoa! He just forged Clay's...
Relax, okay?
Oh, overdose? Is that what it's supposed to look like? That's why they didn't kill her? And Juice didn't even hesitate. Seems to be much colder. than in the previous season. Well, there was some guilt and regret there. That one looks a bit like Tara, doesn't she? And I'm quite sure he thinks the same.
What'd you get?
Waterloo.
Casey's cool.
No. I know the dude.
Who knows what else she took? She probably dropped something.
Nero doesn't even know about this. Who? Well, he probably suspects it, right?
I gotta know. Her dead in that other room. That was your call?
No. It had to be the drugs. Everything I'm doing here is for you.
Is he buying it? He can't be that stupid.
Sorry, I was gone all day.
Okay. What's going on with Nero?
Little Latino family crisis. About you. Anything happen here?
Nothing you should know. Only 2 more, right? Good luck with that.